Okay, so there really are only 5 main steps we need to follow in order to build a WordPress website like the one we just saw. So first we need to register a domain name and web hosting for our site. And just to quickly explain what these are for anyone who doesn't know already, a domain name is usually the title of a website or business with www before it and .com after it. And it's what we type into our internet browser to visit a specific website. So for example, www.google.com. Or sometimes domains can end with different extensions like .co.uk or .net. Then web hosting is basically where the different files that make up our website will be stored online so people can access them when they type in our domain name. Then once we have our domain name and web hosting registered, we can move on to the second step, which is installing WordPress onto our new hosting account. This will only take about 60 seconds to do, and as WordPress is open source software, it's 100% free for us to use. Then the third step is installing and customizing our WordPress theme, which is going to change the entire look of our WordPress site and make it more like the website we're trying to create. And for this tutorial, we're going to be using an awesome free theme called Rocked. Then once we install and customize our theme, we're going to move on to step 4, which is adding our different pages and blog posts which we saw at the start. So that's things like our about page and contact page, and the blog posts that appear on our home page. And then the fifth and final step is organizing our content, which we'll do by creating a custom navigation menu and changing the sidebar on the right hand side. Don't worry if any of this sounds confusing, by the way. It's all super easy, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do every step of the way. Then once we've completed these 5 main steps, we'll have our very own professional website up and running online.